In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Monday.com. If you spend a lot of time working inside Monday.com, switching to dark mode can make the interface feel easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments or during long work sessions. The good news is that turning it on only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open Monday.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the platform has fully loaded, look toward the corner of the screen where your profile picture appears. This profile image gives you access to your personal account settings, so go ahead and click it to open the account menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled My Profile or Preferences. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the version of Monday.com you're using, but both options will take you to the area where you can adjust your personal settings. Click that option to continue. After you're inside your profile or preferences area, take a moment to find the theme or appearance setting. In some layouts, this may be listed directly on the page, while in others, you may need to scroll a little or open a settings section first. You're looking for the place where visual display options are controlled. Once you find it, choose dark mode. This changes the overall appearance of the platform from the standard light theme to a darker color scheme. Many users prefer this because it can reduce glare and make the workspace feel more comfortable, particularly if you're using Monday.com for extended periods. After selecting dark mode, make sure to save or apply the change if Monday.com gives you that option. Some settings update automatically, while others require you to confirm the change before it takes effect. It's always a good idea to wait a second and make sure the setting has been properly updated. If the dark theme doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Simply refresh Monday.com in your browser. A quick page refresh often forces the interface to reload with the new appearance setting applied. After refreshing, you should see the dark theme active across the platform. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Monday.com. If you're following along, take a quick look around your workspace to confirm the new theme is active and displaying correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.